Next, I want to show using the calculator to find the standard deviation of a frequency distribution. Number 7 says, all scores are listed in the following frequency distribution. Now, because it uses the word all, this means that all scores are being taken into account, which means that it's a population. So I've calculated my 1-var stats, and the mean is 4.7. And for the standard deviation, I want to use the lowercase sigma because we are dealing with a population. And I want to copy the entire decimal. So the mean is 4.7. The standard deviation is 2.08. And then to find the variance, I want to square the unrounded version of the standard deviation. And that will be 4.32.